Okay, so here's the 8th 2020 exam on algebra and linear equations. Let's get started. Number 1, write the value of the missing number. Okay, so nice good start to the question. So that's obviously going to be 15, 8, 6 and 2. Just as a nice little warm up there. Number 2, answer the following questions on key terms. Well, the variable is a, the coefficient is 4 and the constant is 8. So looking at this one, the variable would be m. The coefficient, well, we've got minus 1m, so that's the coefficient, and the constant is the number, which is a half. Question 3. Simplify, so we're collecting like terms. 3a plus 5a is 8a, minus 2a is 6a. Here, let's collect our terms. 2f plus 5f is 7f, and 10 take away 6 is positive 4. Let's do our x's. 9x minus 3x is 6x. 2f plus 8f is plus 10f. And here, 3e plus 5e is 8e, 11f take away 1f is plus 10f. Question 4. Evaluate, so we're substituting, so it's 3 lots of our 5 minus 3 lots of our 2. Type that into your calculator. 15 take away 6 is 9. So for this one, it's 4 lots of 2 lots of our a plus 3 lots of our b. Now the brackets are important here. So to show you, I'll put this one in the calculator. 4, 2 brackets 5 plus 3 brackets 2. And just making sure it's the same, what I've got in the calculator is what I've got here. That gives me my answer of 64. Simplify the following. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 6a squared. Here, well, we've got 5xy minus 2xy, because that's the same as 3xy. And 1x plus 1x is plus 2x. Here, so bid mass first, so you get 2m plus 10m, which is 12m. And once again, bid mass first, we end up with 12m minus 15m, which is negative 3m. Question 6. So evaluate using these ones. So that's 8 lots of a multiplied by b. A is negative 2. And b is 1/4. You type that into your calculator and you should get minus 4. Here, so it's minus b a squared. B is 1/4 and a is negative 2. Now to show you, we're going to type that into the calculator exactly the same. So it's negative your 1/4, your negative 2, and it's that one to the power of 2, and that gives us an answer of negative 1. Question 7. Solve. Well, because it's plus 4 here, we move it to this side, minus 4, which is 16, and because it's multiplied by 3, we move it here to divide it by 3, and 87 divided by 3 is 29. Question 8. Expand. So we expand here, we times by 3 to get 3x plus 6, and we times this by 5 to get 5c minus 10. Factorise is the opposite of expanding, so you take out the highest factor, which is 6 in this case, and we get 5a minus 3. And here we can take out a 4 and an a to get 3a plus 5. Question 10, expand and simplify. So we just first of all expand, 2x plus 8 plus 3x plus 15, and now we collect like terms to get 5x plus 23. We'll do the same here, be careful of the negatives. 6a minus 18 equals minus 2a plus 10, because a minus times a minus is a positive. 6a take away 2a is 4a, and minus 18 plus 10 is negative 8. Question 11. Solve the following. So because it's plus 5, we minus 5 to get 26, and then we divide by 2 to get 13. Because it's minus 7, we plus 7 to get 36, and then we divide by 3 to get 12. Right, a bowling alley charges $5 for shoe hire and $2 per 10 minutes of bowling. Dave hires shoes and bowls, and the total cost is $29. So it's $5 for shoe hire plus the 2 lots of how many 10-minute period, which equals 29. So we take away the 5 to get 2m equals 24. Then we divide by 2. So m is 12 lots of 10 minutes, because it's in 10 minutes, which is 120 minutes. Let's convert that into hours, 60 minutes an hour, so our answer is 2 hours. Right, question 13. Solve. So first we're going to expand this side, and we get 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 18. Then I'm going to move the 2x to this side to make it negative 2x, and the minus 2 to this side to make it plus 2. 4x take away 2x is 2x, and 18 plus 2 is 20. I'm then going to divide by the 2, x must be 10, that works on both sides. Question 14. So same question, so I'm going to move the 7a to make it negative 7a, and plus 7 makes it negative 7. Remember, this is a negative 9. 3a take away 7a is negative 4a, and minus 9 take away 7 is negative 16. And because it's multiplied by negative 4, we divide by negative 4, so a must be 4, because the negative divided by negative is a positive. Question 15. 12 oranges cost $9 in Coles, and 15 oranges cost $10.50 in Woolworths. Which supermarket has the better deal? For your Coles, you just need to work out, so that's $9, which is, we'll go in cents, and that's 12 oranges. And your Woolworths costs $10.50 and divided by 15, so let's see what they are. So 900 divided by 12, that's 75 cents per orange, and your 1050 divided by 15 is 70 cents per orange, so Woolworths is the better deal. Solve the following. So this is the same as the other questions, it's just not very nice numbers. So because it is minus 0.5, we move it to this side and make it plus 0.45. Now because this is a calculator exam, I'm just going to use my calculator. So 5/8 plus 0.45 gives us 1.075. Now the coefficient of here is 4 over 7. So because we're multiplying it by 4 over 7, we could just divide it by 4 over 7. So I've still got my answer. I'm going to press divided by 4 over 7. Now that's quite a horrible number there, so I'm going to turn it into a fraction. So our answer is 301 over 160, but you could have answered as a decimal as well, which is your 1.88125. Question 17. So a lot of expanding to do first. So we get 5x plus 20 minus 2x plus 8 equals 6x plus 6 plus 2x plus 14. Now let's collect terms on the left. 5x take away 2x is 3x, and 20 plus 8 is 28. 6x plus 2x is 8x, and 6 plus 14 is 20. I'm going to move my positive 8x to negative 8x, and plus 28 to negative 28 to get minus 5x equals negative 8. And then I divide that through negative divided by a negative. It's a positive, so x equals 8 over 5, which you could have answered as 1.6 as well. And you could have obviously, when we got to this stage here, you could have moved the 3x to this side, so you're working with positives. You'll still get 8 over 5. Alright, last question, question 18. So you can only simplify fractions when the denominator is the same, because we're just doing that, take away that. So we're going to times this fraction by 3 over 3, and times this fraction by 4 over 4, to get 3x plus 9 over 12 minus 4x minus 4 over 12. So 3x take away 4x is minus 1x. We don't write the 1. 9 take away minus 4, made that a plus. 9 plus 4 is 13 over 12. There's our final answer. So that's how you get 100% on the Year 8 Algebra 2020 exam.